Stream restoration projects improve streams' environmental health by restoring eroded stream banks, landscapes, and animal habitats. This improves local water quality and reduces nutrients and sediments in the Chesapeake Bay watershed. In compliance with Chesapeake Bay total maximum daily load requirements, George Mason Facilities embarked on the Necklace Project in 2022 and completed it in February 2023 as a part of the university's master plan.
The goal for the Necklace Project was to reduce at least 35% of the nitrogen, phosphorus, and total suspended solids by 2023 as part of Chesapeake Bay TMDL reduction requirements. This project included the restoration of a mainstream channel as well as adjacent tributaries, beginning at the southwest corner of the Patriot Circle, Aqua Creek Lane intersection, and finishing at the northern end of Mason Pond. This project restored approximately 1,800 linear feet of eroded stream, which not only met the 35 Chesapeake Bay TMDL reduction goals by 2023, but also met additional 60% reduction goal by 2028. In addition, the Necklace Project helped to create the new linear park along the stream envisioned by the campus master plan. This allows the George Mason community to enjoy the scenic pathway from the intersection of the Patriot Circle, Aqua Creek Lane to Mason Pond. The Necklace Project was chosen for its optimal performance in compliance with the TMDL reduction requirements. The stream project ensures that George Mason continues to comply with the state and the federal stormwater regulations. In addition to following those laws and regulations, George Mason achieved the environmental sound and ethical vital stream restoration for long-term stability and enjoyment. Mason community experts evaluated the landscaping to study the health of the stream and surrounding areas. The removal of excess nitrogen and phosphorus from streams is crucial for maintaining balanced aquatic ecosystems, protecting biodiversity, and ensure clean water for human use.
The restoration plans of the natural channel design were utilized in the development of the Necklace Project, which restored a tributary to Rabbit Branch Stream located on Patriot Circle and Mason Pond. The goal was to restore the degraded stream by mimicking the characteristics of a stable natural system and to provide the space with enjoyable, illuminated, paved, and mulched pedestrian trails. George Mason's stream restoration designs, visual assessments, and cross-section surveys of the existing conditions were performed. Undercut, bared, and eroded banks, scour flow lines, preferred tree preservation, vegetation health, and other issues were all indicators of the project needing to take place. The design protocol provided an aesthetically pleasing and structurally stable stream restoration project. The invasive foliage found was replaced by a diverse mix of native vegetation and trees. The Necklace Project is estimated to achieve 58 pounds of phosphorus and 478 pounds of nitrogen reduction per year. It will also prevent about 20,000 pounds of suspended sediment from reaching the Chesapeake Bay annually. For any questions or concerns, please contact the George Mason Facilities Land Development Team at masonld@gmu.edu. Visit our website at stormwater.gmu.edu to learn more about our commitment to protecting the environment.